In today's video, I'll only be shooting with the 35mm. So this right here is the Canon R6 in combination with the Sigma 35mm f1.4. Usually I love to alternate between different vocal lengths, but today we're gonna do it a little different. I'm currently standing in, I would say, a pretty awesome photo location. This is an old school fuel station. We're starting off here, but other than that, I didn't really plan any other locations. We're just gonna see where the night takes us, but I did make a little mood board just to send to the model and also just to give me a starting point for this photo shoot too. So I'm just waiting for my model to rock up and then we can get started. What I'm thinking what could be cool as well is I'll be standing here, and if you could stand where I'll be standing, so right here, feel like you're in your moment, in the sunlight. I think that'd be quite nice too. Maybe even like a hand up in the air, like a bigger pose. Yes, that's great. Yeah, I like that how you were kicking out your leg. Yeah, cool. Yeah, nice. Sick! Oh my god, that looks so good. The whole day was gloomy and now it's sunny. So for these shots, I'm underexposing them a little bit because the sunlight's quite harsh. And if I overexpose it, then we're gonna lose a lot of detail in Abby's hair. So I've got an idea. What if I grab my car, I can park it here and I shoot through the car, focusing on you. Nothing new, but I am such a fan of cars. Not only to photograph cars, but to use them as foreground in my photos. Should probably park my car just here. Then we still have sunlight shining through. Windows down. Okay, let's see if it actually looks... Yeah! Yes! Love it! This is exactly what I meant. Really nice. What if you stand on this side of the window, like sort of leaning through it? Whilst I'm shooting this, I think I'm gonna shoot at an aperture of 2.2, 2.5, just because I want the car to be in focus too, because I feel like adding that detail to this shot just creates a really awesome image. So let's give that a try. Okay, so just then I was cheating a little bit. I was cropping my photo in camera. So I went to crop 1.6. I actually love doing this just for a little bit more compression. But yeah, it's a little bit of cheating. By the way, I wanted to let you know that all of the photos you're seeing in today's video have been edited using my Lightroom presets. I actually just launched a new pack including all of the presets I have ever made. And alongside those presets, I've also added a bunch of editing tutorials in there and a walkthrough tutorial for every single preset. So yeah, a lot of goodies in there. If you want to check it out, click on the link in the description. That's where you can download the pack, and let's continue with the video. Okay, so the next shot I've got in mind is shooting through glass, but when I'm shooting through glass, I usually use a polarizing filter. Just because I can get rid of the reflections in my photos, I'm just gonna put my polarizer onto my 35mm and let's give it a try. So the other day, I actually dropped this lens with a polarizer on top of it and it bended the complete filter. So now I'm trying on a new polarizer, but it won't fit. So I'm just gonna hold it in front of my camera and use it that way. All right, let's do it. That's very nice. Still shooting at 2.5, just because I love the texture of the glass with the graffiti. The lighting is perfect. It's like backlighting Abby's hair. Hi, I have a quick question. I'm doing a photo shoot with my friend here. We were wondering if you could sit there and I shoot through the window inside. Is okay? Okay, cool, thanks. You're thinking if you sit maybe here and I'll stand on the outside. Yeah. I'm so glad I brought my polarizer. It's actually becoming so handy. I always love shooting at fuel stations just because they have like these red numbers. I've done a photo shoot once before, I think it was a year and a half ago, at a similar location, and it gave such cool cyberpunk photos. So round 2. What we can do is like sort of lean like this and it will give you such a nice red glow. Beautiful. We have a photo in mind in front of the door opening. Is that okay if we shoot a couple flicks? You won't see the rest of the shop, it's just a very close-up shot. 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah? Is that okay? Yeah. Cool, thanks so much. Yes. Thank you, you're the best. And I am back in my car. That was a very quick and fun photo shoot. We shot for only 2 hours, and that is for me just the sweet spot. I don't want to shoot for much longer because then the model gets tired. I will get tired too. So now when it came down to shooting with the 35mm, it was so easy going. A lens that I would recommend anyone when they have to buy a new lens or want to stick to one lens, I would say stick to a 35mm. That was a fun little challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you at my next one. Okay, bye bye. Doei!